I'm gonna need some more of these brown facet beads. I don't think I cut them all off the string, so I think I got a few. I think I did half. I think I got a few left. But your sister, your beading bestie is struggling today. I'm struggling. But struggling all. I'm putting it on out here when I get done. And where did I do with the rest of the beads? Here they go. Put them on the board. I added some more, so we got some more in there. We still got some pinks. I'm not using a lot of the pinks. It's just kind of acid in it. It's actually pretty cute. Okay, let's look at it. Oh, glad that bead. See where y'all have a bead clip at the end? I used to didn't have bead clips. I used to just use my finger. I dropped them way too much for that. I'm going to put about 2, maybe 3 more in there. It fits. But once I tighten up, I will not be able to get my hand in that. So I think I'm gonna do 3 more, and just 3 because I'm opting with 3 because I don't want the pinks touching each other, and if I do more than that, I want to get another pink one in here, but I don't want to touch each other, so that's on opting with 3. So I'm gonna do a pink, another pink one right now, because I just did one of the round ones. Okay. Now I'm gonna do a round and brown. I'm thinking of names. Sometimes I try to think of names myself, and then others I just let my tool do it for me. Let's see. Think we might be good. Might have to do one more. Nope, we good. See how it's moving? See that? When I tighten it up, it's gonna close it real good, and we're not gonna have any gaps. And that's what we want in a good bracelet. You don't want any gaps. But you want it to be fit. Some of them are made to fit tight, and some of them aren't. It's actually how you really want to do it. I need to grip this. I always use my knees as a tool to grip. Yep, got it. So make sure I don't have, I want it the way. I decided doing it that I only wanted the pinks to touch once. So that's what we got here. Okay. So, look at it. Nice bracelet. Okay. So you can see the color effect. I'm gonna put it on the black color, just so you can see the color effect. See that? Nice. I still got the string on. I will cut that later. We're gonna do it the opposite way. And I'm gonna put it on the brown one so you can see. So not sure that's gonna pop like it does on this one, but just so you can see it. Go this way as well. Nice bracelet. That is going to be the two that I made today. And as promised, we're going to do a reveal of these beads I bought. I bought so many beads. I think this is the brown